Today, we are opening a new chapter in the military industry of the Republic of Uganda. This facility, being commissioned today, is able to do major repair, service, and overhaul for the helicopter type of the Mi-17, Mi-8, and Mi-24 helicopters here in Uganda. This in turn saves the country loss of the money for transportation and general turnaround time. Your Excellency, this facility has created more than 100 employment in the few months of opening its door, and our projection is to have more than 300 clearly vetted people directly employed at this facility in the next 2 years. Our next project with the National Enterprise Corporation, how we are looking, it is to create a plant for the assembly of medium-sized unsat helicopter based on the Russian construction, which will spur the industry of Uganda to the next level and open up a huge market for the Russian helicopter joint stock company in Africa.
The servicing of these assets has for long been carried out in foreign countries, which is, apart from being costly, denies the country opportunity to build internal capacity. The repair and servicing of helicopters within Uganda by own defense industries, therefore, will provide a form of self-reliance and a credible and sustainable in-country defense capability.
A force with 10 serviceable helicopters may be better than a force with 100 unserviceable helicopters. And this facility here will give us the capacity to make sure that our aircrafts are very serviceable. And of course, it being the first in the region, I'm sure other members of the East African region will, with the same kind of helicopters or equipment, will be bringing their equipment here, and I think this will contribute to our economy.
Coming up of such a project, Your Excellency will also make us to operationalize your vision of professionalism, scientific innovation, and technology. Your Excellency, in 2008, as a member of parliament, I went to some country to do benchmarking. The benchmarking was to see such a building. I am now excited that other people from other countries will also come to Uganda and do benchmarking. I'm very grateful.
I'm very glad. I congratulate everybody involved. You are part of the renaissance of Africa. Coming from sleeping, waking up. And I congratulate the army leaders for supporting you. And I also congratulate our Russian partners for discovering Africa. There's a lot of business here. Now, defense is one of the services. It's a service provided to the country by the army. But you find that this defense service is using equipment which is not made here, almost 100% in many of the African countries. In other words, we are consuming what we don't produce. So therefore, the modest steps we are taking here, not only in this factory, but there are some few other things around here and other places, are to solve that irrationality. It seems UPDF, you are trying to graduate from the status of PWD